325. It's me again, 35 years Black Laredo Official. For today's video, we're going to Lubao, Pampanga to watch a concert from the hot air balloon for the day one. Here we go, the ticket. Thank for the company they give us, right?
I don't know where we're going.
You don't know where we're going? This is the first time you watch concert here in the Philippines? Me too. This is my first time to watch concert and been at Lubao, Pampanga. So take your seatbelt, Thailand. What is your message to your countrymen?
Eat lots of food. I like food, and you should eat food.
Yeah, the street foods, you like it?
Yeah.
In Australia, we have street foods?
No.
No.
It's like illegal.
It's illegal. Until what time the store then? Do you have a store near us in your house?
So what?
Do you have a store near us in your house?
Yeah.
How far? The stores?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? You just walk.
Yeah.
But the store is like 7-Eleven. It's a convenience store, right?
Yeah.
Not like this one? The Sari Sari store?
No, just like convenience.
It's convenience. It's with air condition, right?
Of course.
So come on, let's go. Yeah.
We're going.
All right. So here we go, Thailand. Maybe 5 minutes left. We are in Dinalupihan exit. So Dinalupihan is nearest in Pradera Verde. Yeah. What do you think? What do you expect in the place?
Something fun at least.
Something fun. So good luck for us. Where's Dinalupihan? Is this Dinalupihan? I know it's not. Maybe next exit. How long is it?
10 kilometers.
10 kilometers. You're a good sight, huh? I thought it's 1 kilometer.
What?
So 10 kilometers left. I will close the video first. Alright. Alright. Here we go. 1 kilometer left. We are here in Dinalupihan. Alright. My company is changing boys.
500 meters.
500 meters away. Yeah. So thank God we are touched down safely. Here we go, Dinalupihan. We will exit. Then we're going to Pradera Verde. Pradera Verde. Yeah. Talk to them. He's a blogger also before.
Yeah, and then I stopped because I got older and I realized this is too much effort.
Yeah, it's too much effort.
All I did was like eat food and just try food.
Yeah. What is your content?
Food review. That's all it was, food review.
Yeah. But you are good in editing, huh? Let's see. How much the RFID? Let's see how much the RFID. Here we go, baby. Read it. Alright, 260,000.
I couldn't read it.
Come on. We're going to Lubao. Lubao, Pradera Verde. Yeah. What's the first we're going to do? Yeah, exactly. Then we just walk. After that, after the game, after the event, after we watching, we will eat again. Yeah. Do you want to try the Tapsilugan?
I don't know.
Later, we will been there.
I don't want to be safe on spot.
What?
No,
Like
no,
that?
no, no.
Okay, you will put it later on.
Yeah, no.
You try it?
I will die before I eat.
No, it's not. It's good, right? I like that issue. That's yummy when the system is moving, not the chick. That's more delicious when the chick is moving. These are muscle. I hope we are in the right way. Or we are in Hermoso. Hermoso Bataan. Here we go. Alphamart. What? Alphamart. Yeah, that's a convenience store. Yeah. We are lost. We are lost right now. No surprise. Where's the Pradera Verde? Where's Pradera Verde? We are lost, you know?
What's the other way?
Later on, when I can find it, we will use the Google map. But no, this the boundary. Boundary Pampanga. Here we go. Welcome to Pampanga. So I think we are here. We are here. We are here. Oh. When experience long driving. That's what we decide. So for me, it's good that we leave 5 PM there because the travel is almost 1 hour, right? Maybe this one is theme park. Yeah, that's the Pradera Verde. So this is the Pradera theme park. Yeah, there's volcano. That's why I want to bring their mommy and their tita Harney. You see, hey, look, that's the theme park. So maybe on the other way is the Nanisara. Yeah, no, Lubao, this one. So April.
Mayonnaise.
Yeah, the mayonnaise.
Wait.
Maybe this one is the, that's the good one. Yeah, I think honest. What? Okay. Sir, get in. Get up. Binigyan ng boss eh. O sige, salamat po. Gate farm. So, we're going to gate farm. Gate farm. There we go. Yeah. So when we saw the gate farm is here, right? Yeah. I thought the gate farm. Gate 3. So this is the gate farm. Skip the two steps. Tiga. Saan kayo na? Saan po? So, sa very early. We are good bird. We have ano? Hello ma'am. Sige po. Ano yung parking naman? Ano yan po? Doon po. Ah? Doon po kaya? Dapat nga ma'am. Salamat po. So we have people.
Oh, yes, right.
Yeah.
This place looks like an airport, if anything.
So we need to walk. Okay, the exit is here. So we need to park here. The nearest.
There's a big sector.
Yeah. Central government. Okay, we will park here. The nearest parking. The exit is here, right? Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So now tayo. Tapos exit tayo. Is really near. Right? Here we go. Let's go.
Yo.
This is our first time.
Yo.
Yo.
I said giant beer, so this is gonna be good.
Yeah. Do you want to drink beer?
Oh hell yeah!
No.
What do you
You're
mean,
not
no?
allowed.
Oh.
Maybe your mommy will spank me when you get drink.
Don't tell her.
What? No. That's recording. Thank you. So let's go. We're looking for the food, right? first. First. Alright. Thank you, Sam. Sir.
Bakit di ka pa nagdadala? Tulad mo ay tibong hindi mo siya pinapaliwala. Pero
Trika. Yeah. So, we're now looking for the food. Yeah.
I don't know what I want.
Choose it. No, we can start from here, then over there, okay? Start from here, then walk around. You pick? You already pick? Okay. Come on.
alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan naman natin once again. Amo!
Here we go.
And to think we are just starting the night. Grabe ang alamat.
Yes.
Alamat? That's
as
alamat pala.
Monachi just said, you know, umpisa pa lang po yan. The night is young, so you might want to...
135 years of growing excellence. Thank you so much to Ginebra San Miguel, Kabayani ka sa One
Don't you say-
Ginebra Nation.
What do you want? Shawarma? Where's the shawarma? This one? Okay.
Tapat sa'yo. And to San Miguel Corporation,
Magkano ba yung shawarma?
your work made better. Of course, thank you as well to our media partner, RW95.1. At sa mga
210?
kaibigan natin na
Special na ito eh.
ng videos,
Okay.
lectures,
One order only. One for you and one for you. One for me and one for you. Okay. Buy one, take one. Do you want? Like this? Egg ball. Do you like egg ball?
So, you
Like
guys
it?
may have a lot of shares para sa ating mga capture mga photos.
10 pesos each. You like it? Not really. Huh?
From one performer to another talagang
You can choose it.
ang talented na mga
You don't like
artists natin tonight, di ba?
Yes, that is right. And of course, our next performer is a testament to the natural talent Filipinos have when it comes to music and our love for it. So, friends, ladies and gentlemen,
please.
let's give it up.
Medium. I know, large. You can get large. You like this one? Oh, that Espano is there. Spicy. Do you want like spicy? No. No spicy. Tamukha ko yung spicy. Oh, Darren. Okay, later.
You wanna do it? Where you wanna go? Take it to the moon.
All right.
Take it to the floor.
Mayonnaise. I told you, mayonnaise. The liver spread.
sa entablado. Pakikilala ko lang. Come on! Let's go! Let's go! 1, 2, 3! Ako muna! Ipagmadawan mo! Ipagmadawan mo! Ipagmadawan mo! Ipagmadawan mo! Ipagmadawan mo! Susunod na kanta, tayo lang ang dalawa.
But mayonnaise is good.
Yeah. Alright, come on. Go, take it easy. No believing. Now, have you enjoyed? Yeah.
Now this is our premiere.
Yeah, it was good.
Alright. This is Pradera Verde. It's good here, huh?
Had fun.
Yeah. Have more fun, but
I think
we need to go home.
Jollibee more fun.
Yeah. Do you want? Do you want to eat Jollibee? Yes! Okay, later on. We'll go there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's rock.